Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to occupied Kashmir has been widely condemned as a propaganda exercise aimed at misleading the international community about the dire ground realities in the territory. The visit is seen as an attempt to project a facade of normalcy and development while concealing India's grave human rights violations and oppressive policies in the disputed territory. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has condemned the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to occupied Kashmir, terming it a blatant attempt to mislead the world about the ground realities in the disputed territory. In a statement issued in Srinagar, DFP spokesperson Advocate Arshad Iqbal criticized the Modi regime for promoting a false narrative of development. Two children of a family died and four other siblings were hospitalized after they fell seriously ill due to some mysterious disease at the village in the Budhal, where massive health crises continued to haunt the villagers in the Rajouri district, taking the death toll to 10. A Central Reserve Police Force man took his own life by shooting himself with his service rifle in Srinagar. The CRPF man shot himself at the 116th Battalion in Srinagar. A border security force man was injured today when his service rifle accidentally discharged during a routine patrolling in the Baramulla district. The official said that the incident occurred in the Old Town Baramulla, where the constable Manish Meghwal sustained a gunshot injury due to accidental firing. Paspan-e-Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir staged a protest procession on the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to occupied Kashmir today. A large number of people gathered at the old secretariat in Muzaffarabad, chanting anti-India and pro-freedom slogans. The protesters waved black flags and burned tires on the road and carried the banners that read, "Modi is the most disliked person in the Kashmir."